Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about Pitaka and their Sunset MagEZ 5 case. Shout out to them for sending this over and for partnering up with the channel. Links will be in the description box, my own personal link if you guys want to check this case out. Currently, the site is offering up to 10% off on certain products. So if you guys want to check this out, that will be in the description box for you and maybe in my comment as well. But for those unfamiliar with Pitaka, what is so nice about their cases? Well, the MagEZ 5 case, in this case, they upgraded the technology using what is now considered amber magnet film technology. It's glue-free magnet coating technology that allows the magnets to actually set place in this case and not actually detach and collapse, making it more environmentally friendly and a much more sturdier case. So shout out to Pitaka for actually improving the technologies for the 5th generation of the MagEZ 5 case. I got the sunset color. I think this color is going to look really good with the natural titanium. The moonrise also looked clean, but I had to go with that sunset. Now, those who are also still a little unfamiliar with Pitaka, here are some of the things that they offer. Aramid fiber technology. Now, along with that magnet film that I was just describing earlier, that also lightens the case by about 27% and also making it thinner, measuring it in around 13 grams and 0.69 millimeters. This technology is used in military as well as aviation. And one of the first things that comes to my mind is like bulletproof vests, because the technology is very durable, but also very, very light. And that's one of the monikers, if you will, what Pitaka is really, really famous for. And the fusion weaving technology allows this fiber to be customizable to design different patterns that they want. And you'll see if you go on their website, there's a bunch of different types of patterns that they have for their cases. So without further ado, before we actually open this up and show it off, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite that like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so that way you know it's my videos, so that way you and I can sit back, chillax, see what's cracking. Now, let's get into the video. And upon removing the initial sleeve, very simple. I may have even opened it up. There we go. So, they greet you with this here, the sunset moonrise. Again, as I said, I got the sunset. Look at how clean and beautiful this case is. Now, you guys know, for me, cases, I'm very particular with my cases. I like the caseless feel, and that's exactly what this offers. So I'm definitely going to love this style case. But before I really get into showing you what that looks like, let's see what else is in the package. And there really isn't much else in here. So, kicking that off to the side, bringing this back up, as you guys can see, look how beautiful this looks. It's textured. It feels good. It's very minimal. It gives you good camera ring protection there. You got the cutout for the power button. You got the cutout for the top in terms of like the microphone, just giving it like a flesh look. They could have even went further in, I think, in terms of the grooves right here, making this a little thicker. I wouldn't have been mad at that. They also have the cutouts for the action button and your volume rockers here. Clean, very fresh. The cutout at the bottom for your charge port and your speaker grills. And then, of course, here's where you notice that amber film technology, where it's magnetized, but it's not glued on, ensuring your case to hold up during regular use. So, of course, this is MagSafe approved. And without further ado, let's go ahead. I like to start at the top on the right side and then pressing it in just like that. Wow. Look at how just beautiful that looks with this phone. Just very clean, very minimal, very almost not there. And I like how the bottom and the top is relatively flush, so you can't even quite tell you have a case on it. These are the type of cases I enjoy. So let me know down in the comment section below, have you checked out Pitaka's cases before? Do you plan on checking out their sunset or moonrise case? The moonrise case is blue, but this one looks very, very clean with the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro. Let me know down in the comment section below. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that way you know my videos, so that way you and I can sit back and chillax, see what's cracking. Trent Micah signing out. Until the next video.